Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll start with this exercise and we are going to make this exercise for your practice assignment. So come to the sketcher window. Now we came to the normal to the sketcher window. Now we'll see this drawing where we are going to take 0 as the drawing or center of the drawing. So though this drawing is not symmetry to any of the axes, so what I'll take this 0 point as a 0 of the drawing, and we'll start our drawing from here itself. So you can see dia is 28 and 38. So take the circle command, click on center, make 2 circles and give the dimensions. So this is dia 38, another one dia 28. Fine. Now what I have to do, I have to create this circle which is of dia 40. So we'll create one by one to make our work easier. No, this is not dia 40, this is of radius 40. You can see the arrow. If it is arrow on both the sides, then it denotes diameter. If it is on one side, then it denotes radius. So I'm just going to make it radius 40. Fine. Now this circle has been done. Now I'm going to create this circle of dia 20 and dia 40. So these two circles are somewhere here, and the distance between this and this is 45. So this and this is 45. And what is the dia of this circle? Dia 20. Fine. The outer one is of radius 40. What I'll do, I'll just make it 40, and outer one is of dia 40, sorry. And what is the it is aligned to the 0 0 axis. So what I'll do, I'll just make it dia 40 and this and this center, they both are coincident, you can see. And this is of dia 20 and both are concentric to each other, they are having same centers. Clear? Now I need to trim this. So before trimming, what I'll do, I'll just make this radius. Fine, this is of radius 8. So what I'm going to do, I'm just making a corner, this and this, of radius 8. And now here we are having one horizontal line. This line is tangent to this circle. You can see. Now what I have to do, I have created this line. Now this circle, up to this circle it is. So what I have to make, I have to trim this circle up to this. So I'm just going to use a trim command which will work for both trim plus extend. So this line, okay, I have to take this, then this. Fine. So the profile is like this, and here also I'm going to use the same trim command to make my profile perfect. I can see the profile is perfect. The profile is like this only. Now I am going to create this circle which is of radius 20 and dia 20 and 40. This is all this radius, so I'm just going to give diameter 20 and the outer one radius is of diameter is of 40. Now 20 and 40 has been done. It is aligned to this axis and 90 mm down. So aligned to this axis, that means this vertical axis and the center of the circle to be coincident, and the distance between the horizontal line and the center of the circle is 90 mm. You can see. Now here also I am having one round corner. Either you go for the round corner, you can go for round corner, or you just create a circle and do the tangency. So I'll prefer round corner with no trim. This and this. You can see what is the value of this. This is 26. So like this my work become easy. Here also I am going to make a round corner or an arc. Here we are going to make an arc of radius 98. So I am just making 2-point arc with not this one, yes, this one only, this, and it is like this. So what I am going to do, this and this are tangent to each other. So just select both the entities, go to the constraint defining dialog box and make a tangent. Now give the radius. So the radius of this is 98. So now you can see your profile is perfect, and for this you can use a trim command. So I'm just using a trim command, this and sorry, this is a very helpful command. If you get to learn this command, your work will become very easy, telling you. Now what happened to this? Okay, so for this I'm not going to use this, but I'm going to use first trim command. If sometime it is happening like this, then use trim command, it is better. Now you can use trim or quick trim. Fine, now you can see my profile is perfect. Whatever it is mentioned in the drawing, I have created the same. Clear? Fine. So for more videos and updates, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.